Based on our monthly survey of 27,000 businesses worldwide, global manufacturing demand strengthened in February, with purchases of raw materials and components rising at the fastest pace in nearly 4 years. The surge was driven by Asia. Manufacturers across China, Japan, India, South Korea, and Taiwan stepped up purchasing, pushing the region's supply chains to their busiest levels since October 2022. In North America, factory demand softened. U.S. manufacturers pulled back on purchasing, leaving supplier capacity underutilized across the region. Europe showed signs of recovery. Manufacturing activity improved, led by Germany, though stronger demand is beginning to stretch supply capacity and create localized bottlenecks. The big picture: global manufacturing demand strengthened in February, but the outlook is far more uncertain. The war with Iran is already creating an oil supply shock that could disrupt supply chains. Companies should assess their exposure to energy, petrochemical, and shipping costs now. At the same time, U.S. manufacturers should move quickly to secure price reductions from suppliers following the Supreme Court's tariff ruling. To download our full data and analysis, visit gep.com/volatility. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.